Hey everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Glenn Tompkins, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Love bringing these videos to you. Happy New Year. This is the first video for the year 2023 entitled Stock List for You for 2023. I figured why not start off the year with giving you some stocks for you to keep on your watch list going into the new year. These are stocks that are being talked about. These are stocks that I think have the potential to move up. And if you're ready for this list, let's get into it. If you're brand new to the channel, by all means, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be alerted to when new videos come out. Hit the like button. And folks, I want to help us to grow this channel. Share this video with people on your social circles, especially if you have found it useful. All right, so with that, stocks for 2023. And again, I think it's a great way to start off the year. Now, keep in mind, I'm not telling you to buy any of these stocks, but I want you to at least keep them in a watch list going into the new year, because these stocks have the potential to explode and make you a lot of money. But make sure you time them when to get into it. Starting with that, though, I've got to put a disclaimer. Going into 2023 with a hawkish Fed, this may actually be a great year for inverse or contra ETFs. That's primarily where a lot of money is going to be made this year. I think we've got a lot more downside than upside to the market, but that does not mean that we do not have bull runs even in a bear market. You may have opportunities to make some money, but I think overall, the bearish ETFs, the contra ETFs, inverse ETFs, however you want to look at them, may be the big winner going into 2023. So I've only got a few stories that I've taken off of the internet for you to take a look at, starting with Blink Charging, ticker symbol BLNK. Number of hedge funds holding it 7. Blink Charging is a leading global provider of EV charging equipment, technology, and services. The demand for EVs, folks, whether you want to admit it or not, is there. Are we going to get fully off of fossil fuels by the year 2030? I doubt that very seriously, but the demand, because of rising costs of oil and gas, people are definitely moving over to the EV space. It's picking up a lot of demand. And a lot of people say that the grid is not ready for EVs. You may be right, but I think that they are ramping up as fast as they can to get the EV space ready for charging. Next stock. Lithium Americas, also in the same space because of the rising demand on EVs. It's going to be a rising demand on lithium. And the company I'm looking at is Lithium Americas. It's a Canadian mining company with primary focus on the development and commercialization of lithium deposits. Down at the bottom, the company is well positioned to benefit from the continued growth in the EV market. The stock is one of the stocks that have the upside to double by 2023. All right, next one, Lovesac. Now, this is an interesting one. It's got 13 hedge fund holders. Lovesac is a unique furniture company that offers a variety of stylish and comfortable furniture products. Why is that important? Well, if people are cutting back because of inflation, because of rising interest rates, and staying at home, this is a good way to try to make their homes as comfortable as possible if they're going to spend more time at home than going out. The company's furniture is made from high quality, durable materials. It has strong brand image, which is very important for a company, and is well positioned to continue growing its business. All right. Next one. And this one really catches my attention. I want you guys to pay attention to this, and that's APPH, App Harvest. There's 16 hedge funds holding it. It's a vertically integrated indoor farming company that enables year-round production of fresh, flavorful, and healthy food. Why is that important? All throughout the year, you've seen about famines. You've seen a lot of bad things happen to crops. Well, if you have the ability to grow crops year-round, indoor, everything you want, that's going to be a good way to overcome a lot of the bad things that happen to the current food. And food is expensive, and you want to be able to keep prices down. If you can produce more of it, hopefully that will help to keep the price of food down. But I like this on paper in regards to what they do. And so I like this company. So that's only the few stories that I have. What I am going to do now is I'm going to go straight to my list. This is going to be my watch list of stocks for you going into 2023. There are 9 stocks in here. Rig, we talked about. I still think that the shipping company are still rocking and rolling until they stop. But I like Rig. We talked about Love. Exact Sciences I like because it's looking at cancer screening and research. Any company that deals with looking at going after cancer, I think, is also something that you've always got to keep at the forefront of stocks to look at. Why is Riot on the list? Well, we're still in crypto winter. At some point in time, we've got to come out. I don't know when, but at some point in time, we do in crypto or blockchain. Riot is a leading company in that, so I want you to keep your eyes on that. Lithium America, we talked about. Blink app. Zscaler, because of all of the hacking that's going on in the world today, Zscaler is out there for protecting people's computer property. So I like this stock as well. Solid Power, battery company, also in the EV space. I want you to keep your eyes on. So this is my list of 9 stocks. Let's analyze it by way of the VectorVest analysis, noticing that only one stock in the list at the beginning of the year is a buy recommendation. The rest of them are sell or holds. The stocks that have the best upside potential to outperform the market, there's 4 of them. We've got Riot, interestingly enough, Lovesac, APPH, trading at 56 cents with a value of $1.42. Man, I'm telling you, it almost doesn't get any better than this as a stock to keep your eyes on going into the year. And the Lithium company trading at 18 with a value of 11. It's above value, but it does have the opportunity to outperform a AAA corporate bond over the next 1 to 3 years. Relative safety, none of these stocks are really safe stocks. So this is more of an aggressive / speculative list going into 2023. Out of these stocks, which stocks are going up the most? There's RIG and Exact Sciences, both with an RT of above 1. Looking at the earnings growth, because remember, earnings is the engine that drives a stock's price higher. Look at these. Even though they're more speculative to aggressive, out of the 9 stocks, 6 of them have double-digit earnings growth rates. Only one has negative earnings growth, which makes sense as a company in the biomedical space. I totally understand why that is, but I still want you to keep your eyes on this one as well. Let's go graph these real quick, put them on a 1-year graph, and let's get a view. Zscaler, even though it's great in the space of IT, this is a bullish divergence happening. The stock's price over the last year is going down, but the earnings per share is going up. The stock's got good potential from an earnings perspective, especially if earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher. Keep your eyes on that. Going into Lovesac, also trending lower. Earnings is higher than it was a year ago. I love the rise, steady rise here. The stock does have opportunity, and it's currently undervalued, just raised right now above the 20-day exponential moving average. The Lithium company, love the earnings per share in a space that's got a lot of demand for EVs. Right now, a little bit of falling out of consolidation. It is overvalued, but I do like the rising earnings per share. Going into Riot, again, crypto winner. When do we get out of it? I want you to keep your eyes on it. Currently undervalued, and it's been undervalued for the year. Falling earnings. The only reason why it's on there, because at some point what goes down has to go up. I just don't know when. Going into RIG, I like the move from late October, rising, higher lows, higher highs, rising earnings per share. Keep your eye on that stock, trading at $4.56. The battery company, SLDP, Solid Power, man, falling earnings per share, falling price. Why do I like this? Because of this space. It's the only reason why I like it. I'd be careful with this one, but if the EV space is rising, this may be a riser as well, but I'd wait on this one. Blink, same thing with Blink, falling earnings per share. Stock was in a channel, broke out of the channel. Let's see if it's got the wherewithal to ride the wave from the EV space. Going into APPH. Now, this one really catches my attention. I do like the rising earnings per share. I don't like the price action, but I do like that it's undervalued. This stock is poised to explode. Again, I don't know when. Based upon what they do, it just makes sense that this stock has a lot of potential to go up. And the last stock is Exact Sciences. Again, with the cancer screening, I like the rise from October, higher highs, higher lows, rising earnings per share, even though it's a drug biomedical company. So folks, those are my stocks going into 2023. Throughout the year, we'll keep our eyes on these stocks to see how they're doing or not doing. Remember, I'm not telling you to buy any of these. This is a watch list of stocks that have great potential to go up going into the 2023 year. Folks, again, if you like the content, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and share this content, especially if you feel that this was useful for you. Folks, this video is over, and until the next time, see ya. Hey VV Nation, Glenn Tompkins here from VectorVest, and guess what? We're going to Tampa. That's right, January 6th through the 7th of 2023. Absolutely, we're gonna be there live, and we want you there too. So what's gonna happen? You're gonna get an opportunity to meet and interact with VectorVest instructors. You're gonna receive a physical copy of the course workbook right then and there. You're gonna enjoy a continental breakfast each and every day and have a served lunch as well. We're gonna have a little bit of fun, and we're gonna have a cocktail party reception on Friday. You're gonna receive access to the full recording of the event. Folks, you need to go to www.vectorvest.com/Tampa to go there live. And then if you want the live stream, which is free, you go to www.vectorvest.com/stream. Folks, we want to see you there, and it's gonna be a great time, but we get to meet in person. So you don't want to miss out, because the price is going to go up quick. So you want to take advantage of it as soon as you can. See you there.